I'm the Geographicer, and we're talking about the deciduous forest. Now, some major cities are New York, Boston, and Toronto. Now, you may be wondering, some popular tourist areas. Well, we got the Great Mountains from Tennessee, Appalachian Trail from Marietta, Georgia, Ozark Mountains in Arkansas, Eastern Australia Temperate Forest, Tasmanian Temperate Rainforest, New Zealand Temperate Forest, Eastern Himalayan border leaf and conifer forest, Western Himalayan temperate forest, Southwest China temperate forest, and last but not least, Russia Far East temperate forest. Now, you may be wondering, well, what are actually some fun activities to do in the deciduous forest? Well, let me tell you. Tree climbing is very fun, unless if you can't do it. But if you can't do that, there's some other things you could do. Camping! It's so nice and warm until you meet something or you're just not an outside person. Or you can identify the creatures. You're just like an animal lover. Who doesn't love a cute little being?
Deciduous forest is a great place to visit. In the fall, the trees are full of color and you will see orange, yellow, green, brown, and red. As soon as winter sets in, the leaves fall off the trees and the limbs are bare. Each year, the leaves grow back in the spring. The reason for this is because of the scientific process called photosynthesis. The leaves need chlorophyll, and as the weather changes, the leaves in their food-making process and the chlorophyll breaks down. The forest is a beautiful biome because the floor is filled with small plants. Some examples are ferns, moss, and wildflowers. The middle layer is shrubs, and the top layer is filled with hardwoods such as spruce, fir, and pine trees.
The deciduous forest is home to many different types of spiders: wolf, recluse, house spiders, and black widows, amongst others. Cardinals, snowy owls, pileated woodpeckers, opossums, porcupines, red foxes, frogs, turtles, and salamanders. The deciduous forest has 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter, and fall. It is the second most rainiest biome. It gets 30 to 60 inches of rain per year. The average temperature is a comfortable 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Summers are mild and average about 70 degrees depending on where you are, while temperatures are often well below freezing during winter.
Hello, I'm the Geographicer, and we're going to be talking about tropical rainforest. Now, some areas that are very important are Central America, South America, Asia, Africa, Brazil, Panama City, Monterrey, Amazon, Ghana, Suriname, French Guiana, Brazil, Bangladesh, Burma, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Congo River Basin, Madagascar, and last but not least, Cameroon. Now, some places people love to visit mostly are Mubit, Kimbu, Tinligit, and Yamamani. Now, there's just one thing that people love to do the most, and it's the rain. It rains a ton in the tropical rainforest, just like in its name. But because of how much tree and wildlife there is, people don't do very much because they don't want to get hurt.
If you are wanting an exotic vacation, the tropical rainforest is the place to visit. Rainforests are so big and exotic that they are divided into 4 layers. The top layer is called the emergent layer, with trees as tall as 200 to 300 feet. One of these trees is the kapok tree. It grows over 200 feet and appears sinister in how it looks. Frogs and birds love the nooks and crannies in this tree. The second layer is the canopy. This has trees 60 to 150 feet tall. An example is the wild cashew tree. The canopy layer is full of green leaves that form a canopy or a roof for the vegetation and animals underneath. The third layer is the understory, which is the dark, cool area below the canopy. Here you find small trees, ferns, and even native bananas. Most plants here do not grow over 12 feet. The fourth and final layer is the forest floor. Some very beautiful plants grow here, such as orchids and giant water lilies.
The jungle is home to many different kinds of animals. The king of the snakes, the anaconda, the blue morpho butterflies, mountain gorillas, chimpanzees, orangutans, sloths, jaguars, capybara, the poison dart frogs, and black howler monkeys, amongst many other things. The tropical rainforest is warm all year long. Only one season. The most common weather you will have is rain, hence its name. Average temperature around 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity 77% to 88% year round. Yearly rainfall ranges from 80 to 400 inches.